Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. So I've been on a roll. Can we just give myself a round of applause for being my camera is dying. It's always dying. I'm gonna let you guys know that it's Thursday night. I took a 2-hour nap. I didn't want to take a nap because it was already like 4 p.m. by the time I felt like I needed one, but then I was watching YouTube and I accidentally fell asleep. So that is that. So what I'm going to do is, my apartment is a mess. I need to fold a lot of clean laundry. This is clean, that is clean. I always let it get like this. It's just a habit that I have. I need to start folding as soon as I finish laundry. I'm going to clean and organize my apartment. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So it's kind of late. Well, it's really late. It's 10:20 p.m. I shouldn't be making dinner this late, but I ate a late breakfast, which is at 3. I ate breakfast at 3, okay? I did not eat before that. Yeah, I didn't eat before that. And right now I'm going to make HelloFresh frijoles fresco bowl. It says it's only going to take 35 minutes in total to make this, so I'm going to try my best. Okay, I'm going to try and make this look as pretty as possible so I can get a good picture. Oh my god, I am freaking starving. By the way, guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is a vegetarian meal. I honestly don't even like poblano peppers. Like, they just don't do anything for me. But we're gonna just eat them because it probably tastes good like this. I'll put some on top of this. And I'm going to save the other portion for tomorrow. Salsa fresca. And then grandma. Let's do a taste test. Oh my god, it looks like a chipotle bowl. I actually don't like chipotle. It's not that I don't like chipotle. I used to love chipotle when I was like first year in college, but I don't like the chicken. Okay, let's go. It's really good. The only thing that's throwing me off is that it doesn't have meat, and it's like not registering because this is vegetarian, but it's really good. I just wish I had like I should have made shrimp or something. It's really good though. Good morning, guys. This vlog has turned into a food vlog and I'm here for it. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to eat for breakfast. Honestly, it's like very basic and simple. I'm just going to be eating croissants and coffee. I'm going to be dipping my croissants in my coffee and it's so freaking good. I use Nescafe Classico when I make instant coffee. You guys know I have an espresso machine, but when I'm just like dipping something into my coffee, I like to just use instant. I was recommended by my editor Rocket to try the Café Bustelo. Oh my god, why did I sound like such a gringa? Café Bustelo. My family just drinks this one, so that's why I have it, because when they come over they have this option to drink as well. I'm going to order Café Bustelo so I can try it because he swears by it. He's like, I will never go back to anything else, so we'll see. I already have my water boiled. And lately I haven't been buying creamers or anything for my cold brews. I don't want to get into the habit of, you know, having sweet coffee all the time since I drink coffee all the time. But because this is different, I'm dipping something into my coffee, I like to add sugar just so it doesn't taste bland. Going to add my milk. I'm probably going to have to heat this up. Maybe not, actually. I love these mini croissants. It's from Thomas. They're just so freaking good. Then I just dip it like this for a few seconds and eat it. So, what? I'm like silly, I guess. I'm really scared to get this coconut. It smells so good. I gotta be careful. I'm scared. Like, what do I do? I'm scared that I'm gonna like cut myself. Can they just make this more like human friendly? Oh, it smells so good. I could just taste it. I'm not about this life. Like, no, that's not gonna work. What if I use like another knife? Let's see. I don't know if this would work better, but let's see. Oh my god, it's not working. Really wanted this. Hold on, hold please. I'm going to Google it. How to cut a coconut at home. Okay. Hold the coconut with a towel. Firmly tap it with a meat mallet or hammer, turning as needed until the shell starts cracking in half. Yeah, but those are, what kind of coconut? How to open a sweet young coconut. Got it. Oh my god, there's a whole YouTube video.
All the way around. So we're going to remove the husk in this area here.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
All right, you're going to find that your knife hits the hard coconut shell, and so it'll just glide right over. So we're just going to remove.
Ow. No, I can't do it.
And
I can't do it.
Crack right here.
Yeah, I got one too.
Get your heel of your knife in coconut water. And you
I'm
want
about to
that
break my
coconut
neck.
water to be...
We're almost there. All right. Ooh, that was an arm workout. Finally. Can I just? I'm about to rip my nails. I am so desperate for this coconut right now. Oh my god. I like when the meat is like really soft. Wow, that's good. I would do it again, but I would try to maybe get a different coconut if they have other options at the grocery store. I really like the ones with the soft meat, and I'm going to literally Google this like in a minute to see which coconuts have like the soft meat inside, because I love the ones with the soft meat. But there's just something about the soft ones. Very, very good. 10 out of 10, recommend. Love it. I can't believe I did it.